The proper order for the colored wires of an RJ45 connection are white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. In the following steps we will demonstrate on how to separate the wires and make the connection. With your scissors, scribe a ring around the insulation, being careful not to cut too deep. Then bend the cable back and forth to break the insulation and pull the insulation off. Locate the string on the inside, and with your scissors again, cut the string. The easiest way that I have found to separate the wires and untwist them is to pull the brown wire down first, then the blue, and then the green, and pull those three wires off to the side, allowing room for the orange wires to be untwisted. Now untwist the orange wires and place the white-orange wire first, and then the solid orange second. Then untwist the green wires, and you want to place the white-green wire next to the other two, and then pull the solid green wire off to the side. Now untwist the blue wires, and place the solid blue wire next, and then the white-blue wire. To get the wires to lie flat and straight next to each other, pull and wiggle back and forth. Now place the green wire next to the rest of the wires, pull and wiggle. Now untwist the brown and the white-brown wires, placing the white-brown wire first, and then the brown. Pull and wiggle to get the wires to hold close to each other. Release the wires from your left hand to allow the wires to go back into the insulation. Sometimes all the pulling makes the wires come out a little bit. Now with the scissors, cut straight across the wires and continue to hold firmly. Grab the RJ45 connection and make sure that you are holding it correctly with the tabbed side down. Now slide the wires into the connector. You may have to wiggle and push a little bit, but you want to verify that the wires have gone all the way to the end. If you look at the end of the connectors, you should be able to see the wires touching the end. Now grab the crimper and put the RJ45 connection into the crimper, making sure that the connector is pushed in all the way. Crimp the connection and then pull the connector back out of the crimper, and you are done. Now repeat the exact same steps on the other end of the cable, and you will have your first network connection made.